In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the Wi-Fi stats in Zoom. If you've ever wondered whether choppy audio, freezing video, or delayed screen sharing is caused by your internet connection, Zoom's built-in Wi-Fi stats can help you see what's really going on. We'll walk through exactly where to find these details and how to make sense of them so you can quickly diagnose connection issues during calls. Start by heading to the Settings area in the Zoom desktop app. Look toward the upper left of the window for the small gear icon. That's your main control center for app options and diagnostics. Clicking it opens a separate window with a left-hand menu and multiple sections. If your app window is compact, you might need to maximize it to see everything clearly, but the gear stays in the same spot. This is the only place you need to be for the rest of the walkthrough. Once the settings window is open, select the Statistics section. This is where Zoom gathers, live, technical readouts about how the app is performing on your device and network. You'll notice separate categories here, and values may update in real time while you're in a meeting. Don't worry if the numbers jump around. That's normal as network conditions change. This view is designed for quick at-a-glance checks, so you can spot bottlenecks without digging through complex menus. Next, choose Wi-Fi stats. This view focuses specifically on the quality of your wireless connection. Here, you'll typically see indicators such as signal strength, link speed, and the band you're connected to, along with other connection quality details. As a rule of thumb, stronger signal strength and higher link speeds are better. If you're on a 2.4 GHz band, you may get more range but potentially more interference. On 5 GHz, expect faster speeds with a shorter range. If available, keep an eye out for metrics that reflect stability, like error rates or brief drops in quality. Small, occasional fluctuations aren't a concern, but persistent low signal or consistently low speeds can explain laggy audio or pixelated video. A few quick interpretation tips. Strong signal and steady speeds usually translate to smoother meetings. Large, frequent dips in quality often hint at interference or distance from your router. And if you notice issues only at certain times, it may be due to network congestion in your environment. That's it. By using settings, then statistics, then Wi-Fi stats, you can monitor your connection health directly inside Zoom and make informed decisions to keep your calls running smoothly.